1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Fender bender or total loss. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivereth him out of them all. Psalm 34 verse 19, King James Version. For a brief portion of my working career, I was an insurance adjuster. So I had to determine fault in an accident and make sure all repairs to a person's vehicle were made and paid for properly. Sometimes we would repair vehicles, and other times they would be total loss situations where we would pay for the person to buy another comparable vehicle. It was easy as an insurance company for us to do either one. Symbolically speaking, this is key to us understanding the power of God when it comes to our lives. We think that our issues are total loss situations, but God can easily see them as a minor repair situation like a fender bender. Remember, nothing is too hard for God. Luke chapter 1 verse 37. So trust him as he knows what he is doing and is working on your behalf. When that is the case, everything will be all right. Keep the faith. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.